Hey and welcome. This is Hayden from Connect TV. Thanks for tuning in. This video, we're going to talk through how to use parameters to speed up your development within Power Query. Into the model, Power Query model. I've already set some parameters up for you to show, but simply click on this Manage Parameters here. You can add new, you can manage the ones that you've already created. Parameters are any type of value that you can use to build up in your M code and use to really automate and change how your model works. I'm going to run through a couple of examples of those. I've got one here, file location. So this is the location. This data is from an Excel file. If I show you here, it's C Power BI test folder 1. Now, if you're working and collaborating with other colleagues and you're sharing this PBIX file between you as you're helping each other out, that source location of your data might need to change. And rather than go through every single, if I just show you the advanced editor, rather than go through every single one of these and change it every time, what we can use is this file location parameter into this string here that will allow us to just simply change this every time. If you look here at these examples, so here we have one already built. I'm using the file location parameter to tell where the Excel workbook will be stored. Now, you don't need to be an expert in M to do this. There's a simple way to change. If I just show you this source here, hit the gear icon, and you'll see the full path there. So I just want to copy the name of the file, click Advanced, paste that in there. In here, select your parameter. I only want the file location. Click OK, and it will build your M code for you. So it will make that modification. So it's also a great way to see how M works, the mashup language works. Now, just to show you how this does work, if I cut this folder here, cut and put it into a colleagues folder as an example. So I'm just going to copy that ready. So if I start to hit refresh, you can see that it could not find the file. All I now have to do in all of these sources is change that one parameter, and there you go, it's worked. So it's now looking at that new location. Easy, quick, simple, make it more efficient. Other examples that I've used this for and other customers is when we're connecting to servers. There could be a development server, a test server, and also a production server. So through your development lifecycle and through your test lifecycle, and then once you go live, you can easily change where your data is pointing at. You can also do this with pipelines in Power BI service, but this is a simple way through your model. Another example here is dates. So if I only wanted to see a date past the 1st of January 2020 in my orders table, you don't need to be an expert in M. So you could simply select a value after or equal to, and in your function bar at the top here, where it's got the date that you've just selected, you just type in start date, hit enter. It's selected that parameter for me, so now I've only got dates after that. And that's how you can become much more efficient, allow you to work faster and better in Power BI. So if you like the video, please do hit the like button. Please hit subscribe to stay up to date with all the future videos, and I'll see you next time.